In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to transfer domain from Google to Hostinger. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting the easiest and most convenient way for you to transfer a domain name that you own to Hostinger and what to do if your domain was on Google Domains. So, Hostinger actually has a tool for this exact purpose. So if you visit their official website and you look for transfer domain, or you go to hostinger.com/transfer-domain, you will arrive at this page. All that you have to do here is enter the domain name that you own and that you would like to transfer. You prepare the domain for transfer, proceed with the purchase on Hostinger, and the domain name will be transferred to Hostinger. So this works with any domain that you own. However, one thing to note is that, as you can see, if we visit domains.google, this is what they have to say. On the 15th of June 2023, Google entered into a definitive agreement with Squarespace, indicating their intent to purchase all domain registrations and related customer accounts from Google Domain. So basically, in short, all domains that used to be part of Google Domains were automatically transferred over to Squarespace. If you aren't aware of this, this means that you will have to go over to Squarespace for further help. Your domain, as long as it was owned on Google Domains, is now part of Squarespace. So if you have yet to sign in and manage your account inside of Squarespace, you should do so now. So instead of transferring from Google to Hostinger, you will be transferring from Squarespace to Hostinger because, like I said before, transferring from Google Domains is no longer an option. They have moved on and automatically transferred all domains to Squarespace because of the agreement they made. So once you visit this page, you can enter your Squarespace domain here and click the transfer option. Then it is going to see if it is eligible, and if it is eligible, you can transfer. So input the specific domain here. Make sure that you disable the registrar lock, and after it is disabled, you will get instructions on what to do. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.